Hi all, hope all are doing well. I'm shooting this vlog from morning. It's yet another lockdown day. We have lots and lots of work to be done from morning to night. As a homemaker, you would understand what I'm saying. We'll have lots and lots of works to do. It's a beautiful morning. It's a blessing to wake up really alive every morning. So let's enjoy this day. After the breakfast galatas, these two little munchkins help me out with the houseworks. I help my mom out, and these people assist me. A lot of assistance, right? They're helping me out by just cleaning the vegetables and stuffs like that. They have to do something, right? They are really bored because of the lockdown. They cannot go out, but this is a good way to keep them engaged. But 10 minutes later, great music. Next is a snack time for them. We plucked a lot of mangoes from the tree. You would have seen that vlog. I'm just chopping it for them. They are in a hurry. I was so scared using the knife with them, but they are in a hurry. Feed them fruits possibly whenever they're asking for snacks. That will help them out. And then little playtime. I've taken little tidbits of everything. I'm new to vlogging. I'm not very sure about if it's right or wrong, but I think so. It'll keep you entertained. Look at the dinosaur in water. Technology, people. We are prepping for the iftar snack. This is a very little new snack. What we normally do. This is ripe plantains, which is getting boiled. You can also steam it. I have taken around 1 cup maida and also 1 cup rice flour, around quarter cup rice flour. I'm sorry because I didn't make it, I'm just filming it. 1 cup maida, 1 3 by 4th cup of rice flour. Okay, and then goes in little turmeric, and then mommy put it please. Okay, it's really delayed. Yes, sugar. Sugar is according to your taste. We were a little bit okay aside with the sugar, but you can add a little more for the sweetness. And then we are going to add in the bananas. We'll wait for it. If you want, you can mix with little water right now and keep and make the lumps away, but it's always better to mix it after putting the mashed banana into it. We really boil those bananas, right? Just put them into a mixer and make it into a paste and add it to the batter, and then add enough water to make it into a dropping consistency. We normally try snacks every iftar because there are kids at home, so we really have to make something different every day. So my mommy is adding that mushy mixture into the batter, and then she's mixing it with water. We'll show the consistency once that's done because it's quite messy and it's time consuming. This is the consistency, it's a dropping consistency. We are going to add a little bit of baking soda into it. If you don't want, you don't have to add it. You can make it in prior and keep so that the batter will be ready by then. Then let's fry it. Now it will look little flat, but once it's fried it will look like little balls. So it's banana balls. I've named it banana balls. Normally we call it undapuri. That's how we call it. So I don't know the literal translation for all that, so I made it into banana balls. Look at that beautiful. Kids will be definitely attracted by the snack. We need a snack during iftar. We are used to that. I know it's not really healthy, but we need it, so we make it, and kids enjoy it with us. So that's done for the day, and we went up in the evening. It is ready, and it's ready for the iftar. We will just take kids for half an hour to the terrace so that they'll have their own time there. They can enjoy, they can play, they can let out their energy which they are just saving it for the night. ഒരു ഡാൻസ് ഒന്ന് കളിച്ചു കാണിച്ചോട്ടെ. What a pose! Rowdy baby step. Our evening was really beautiful with all the peacocks on background. It was time for iftar. We went down. We had a good heart-filling iftar meal, and these are the mangoes which we plucked 2 to 3 days before. We just soaked it in salt water and sun-dried it for 2 days. By this way, you don't have to add any preservative to keep it for long. We'll make a chatpata pickle very quickly. We'll add in around I'll say this is quarter cup of groundnut oil and goes in mustard seeds. This is a very easy pickle. You'll not have much procedures and all into it because it's dried mango. It will stay safe. And then we'll add straight away chili powder. Low down the flame or off the flame if you can, because it will burn the chili powder. It's 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Then mix it up well, and you can just immediately put the mangoes in. You don't have to cook the mangoes because it will spoil the texture of it. So the flame is off. Please make a note of it. The flame is off. It is not on. So mix it, and we have 2 or 3 ingredients going into it, and that's all about this pickle, and that's why we make it. We don't have to add any preservatives to it. It will stay long. Goes in a quarter teaspoon of powdered fenugreek. You can pre-powder it and keep so that it's easy when you make pickles. And then we'll have to add asafoetida. We have our tinned asafoetida. You can add that. This is around a quarter teaspoon. That will do. This is all done when the flame is off, okay? The flame is not on. So mix it up really well and taste it and make sure the taste is right, and you can add little salt. We needed little salt, so we are adding it because it has been sun dried. There will not be much salt in it. So mix it up. The yummy pickle is ready, and that's it for today. We had a good dinner too that day, and we ended the day beautifully. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.